Right, hi guys, so I've got my latest big purchase here. So I've done a few of these videos and it just, whenever I buy something, I thought I'd just do a video and you can see, which is what the channel's all about, just the progression of sort of where I'm going as a business, and hopefully it's a little bit interesting for you. So I've got a bonus one as well, so I've got this which I'm going to open in a minute and tell you what it is, and behind the camera in the corner, much to my girlfriend's horror, because of the sheer size of it, it got delivered this morning when I was out. So I'm going to turn you around in a couple of minutes and show you what's in the corner there. But I'm going to open this first, show you. And so this is something that I wanted to get at the start, but with all the other costs and all the rest of it, I was prioritising other things basically. So as I say, as I'm going and building and getting progressively better, I'm sort of investing in different things and things that will help us going forward. So let's get it open and see what it is. So yeah, so I'm still in my second year, so you know, you've got all these startup costs, and you know, if you haven't got thousands and thousands to chuck at it, you know, I had a fairly healthy budget, but you know, things like this I thought could wait, and you just got to make a judgment call really. It'd be nice to buy everything all at once, but that's, you know, it doesn't matter. As I say, it's all about building up to it and constantly improving. And this should make life easier. Certain jobs anyway, and storage of certain things. So trying not to show you the picture that's on the other side. Right, yeah, so hopefully you can see now. So it's a roof rack for the van. So yeah, really happy that I've got this, and it seems, yeah, it's quite heavy, that's nice and sturdy. I'll put links to everything below again, and a link to my online store as well. One thing that's worth pointing out when you do get these is, because I've got a Peugeot partner, short wheelbase, and you've got if you have got a Peugeot partner, there's the short wheel or the long wheelbase, and I guess it'll go with, it'll be the same with every van. I don't think there's a generic roof rack that fits all types of van. I might be wrong, but when I got looking and researching and things, it asked you for, you know, it wasn't just like the kind of van you got, it wasn't just a Peugeot partner, it was like, it was wanting specifics when you were ordering them, so be sure to, you know, do your research and make sure you get the right one. So I'm going to flip you around and show you what's in the corner there. And if you ignore the mess in the kitchen, obviously we've got the little one, and it's not that bad, to be fair. It's been worse than this, but so yeah. So currently, these are in the corner of the kitchen. They came when I was out this morning, and I think my girlfriend got a bit of a shock when she saw how big they were. She knew they were coming, but even I thought they were a bit smaller. I'll turn you around. So yeah, ladders. So these are fiberglass Werner ladders with the, you can see there, it's got the kind of the platform. These are platform ladders, and these are 8 tread. And I had it in my head that they were about 6 foot, but they will look a bit smaller when they are opened out. But I'm really pleased with them though, because there were certain hedge jobs of a certain height that I was knocking back, and now with these I'll be able to do them no bother. So I'll put a link below
there as well. But obviously, you know, shop around because there's deals on all over the place, and you know, make sure you get the best deal for yourself. If you want to see us fit in the roof rack, click somewhere around here, and I'll see you in the next video.